I was able to schedule a phone call to President-elect Donald Trump. At nakausap ko siya kaninang umaga. At naalala naman sa Pilipinas, ang kaibigan niya talaga, Mother Trump. Kilalang-kilala niya yung Mother Trump. Kinukumusta niya si Melda, sabi ko, pinabati ka na. I expressed to him our continuing desire to strengthen that relationship between our two countries, which is a relationship that is as deep as can possibly be, because it has been for a very long time. I also reminded the President-elect that ang mga Filipino sa Amerika overwhelmingly naging binoto nila si Trump. I'm sure na maalala na yan pagka tayo ay para magkita kami. At plano kong makipagkita sa kanya as soon as I can. Sabi niya siguro baka nasa White House na siya para bago ako makasunod. But anyway, it was a very good call. It was a very friendly call, very productive. And I'm glad that I was able to do it. And I think President-elect Trump was also happy to hear from the Philippines.